Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another video. And this video is 100th number of video, that means 100. So we have reached 100 video and this is the number 100 video. So in this video I'm not going to talk anything about technology because I made 99 videos and this is the 100 video so far, and we achieved a lot so far. I'm really proud and really happy that I made 99 videos because it's not that easy. Making 99 videos will show you 99 problems, 99 issues, and you have to overcome all those issues to make these 99 videos, and that is what I achieved. It's a very big goal for me. It doesn't matter how much money I earn, it doesn't matter how much subscriber I gained, it doesn't matter how much views I got, it doesn't matter all the things. It matters how many effort I have given to all of my videos. So I've given my best and tried my best. All right, before you hear all my words, all my success and unsuccess, everything, I'm gonna tell you about the giveaway. So giveaway is over here. So yes, you heard and listened and you have seen the correct thing. I'm going to do the giveaway, and the giveaway is about this iPad or the AirPods 2. So you can win one of these, not both of these. You can win one of these. So you just comment down in the comment section that which one you want. Do you want the iPad or do you want the AirPods 2? After reaching 1000 subscribers, I'm gonna do the giveaway in my Instagram, so you can see the result on my Instagram. Yes, I will also post this on my YouTube account, but if you want to hear at the beginning, then you should go and follow me on Instagram. Over there I'll be doing my giveaway result after we reach 1000. So please help me to reach 1000 subscriber, and after that one of you guys can win. Yes, you can win this iPad or even the AirPods 2, and this giveaway is worldwide. That means it doesn't matter from which place of the world, which part of the world you are, you can get this product anywhere. So don't really worry, go subscribe and let me know in the comment section which one do you want. Do you want the AirPods or do you want the iPad? And you can be the winner. All right, that was about the giveaway. You just need to subscribe and comment on the comment section. After reaching 1000 subscriber, I'll be doing the giveaway result in my Instagram with random pickers, so one of you guys can win. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Okay, that was about the giveaway. Now let's go and let me explain you or give you all my thoughts, impressions, everything about YouTube. Here's my computer and I'm inside my creator studio, and I'm gonna share all the things we have achieved so far. And let's go from the beginning, that when we started our YouTube channel. We started our YouTube channel at 10th June 2019 and today is 27th Feb 2020. So what have we achieved so far? So we got 244,000.5 views. So that means a lot to me because 244,000 views is a lot for me. And we have achieved more than 5,000 watch time, so it's a great news. More than 5,000 hours, so it's a very big number for me, at least for me. I don't know for others, but for me it's a very big number. Thank you so much who have watched my video, liked my video and shared my video. Thank you so much for doing and giving all the efforts to me, and I'm trying my best and giving my most to you guys for making the best video possible. We reached 1.5 million, so it is a huge number. 1.5 million, it's a very big number for me. So 1.5 million impression, that means our video has been shown to 1.5 million people, and from those 1.5 million people, 244,000 people clicked the video and watched. So it's a very great news for me. All right, that was about the watch times and views and all the things. Now let's talk about the subscribers. So we got 578 subscribers so far, and I'm trying my best to push my contents as far as possible, and you guys should help me to reach 1000, 100,000, 10,000 and so far and so far. With that said guys, that was it, and let me just say a little bad things and good things. What have I gone so far from YouTube, because it's not yet 1 year in YouTube and you guys shown me a lot of love, lot of hates also. Let me explain all the hate and loves. If I explain, there is 100%, I got like 80% of love and 20% of hate, and let me talk about all those hates. And right now I'm just trying my best to convert those hates into love, because doing hates, there is nothing in hate. If we do hate, it is not gonna solve anything. All right, let's talk about those 20% people who just hate me. Not me exactly, my English. So people hate me, my English sometimes, most of the time from my beginning videos. Like, you gotta understand a little thing. At the beginning I was a bit nervous. Okay, let me do the point. at the beginning. Number one, I was a little nervous. Number two, I was a little bad. Like when you are in front of camera for the first time, you gotta be a little nervous. Like everything right now, I'm a little free, but not yet so perfect, but I'm right now far better than before, because when I was making the videos, I was a bit nervous, I was a bit confused, I was a bit everything. So everything was not that well at the beginning. My voice was a bit like dumb, and my video content was a dumb, my quality was dumb. But right now I'm trying to fix and match all those things with a pro level, as far as we can say, like professional level. I'm trying my best. The more support you give me, the more better I'll try to produce contents, because if you like the video, if you share the video, if I get much more support, then it is more likely for me to love and give the efforts to you guys. All right, with that said guys, I think that was all of the things I had to share with you guys. Hates will be there, loves will be there, and I will try my best to make all those hates into love. And yep, that was it. For my haters, my language, I'm just trying my best to make the language as better as possible. All right, that was all for this one. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed. If you really enjoyed this one, there is nothing to enjoy, but what I tried to make you understand, if you understand that thing, then it is really grateful for me. But if you haven't, I'll try to make you understand some other this. All right, that was all for today. Goodbye.